is Zheng from JC Chinese, and in this video we will continue to learn a country's name in Chinese. Singapore, 新加坡. Its pronunciation is just like its English name. Singapore, 新加坡, 新加坡. Now let's write those three Chinese characters together. Let's go.
The first character of 新加坡 is 新. Now I'm going to write it down. Please pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke, dot, horizontal stroke, a dot, a very small downward left stroke, a horizontal stroke, another horizontal stroke, and a vertical stroke with a hook to the left, and a very small downward left stroke, a dot, and a flat downward left stroke, and a downward left stroke, and a horizontal stroke, and a vertical stroke. 新. And there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 strokes. Did you count it right? And its pinyin is 西音新. The initial is 西, and the final is 音, and its pinyin is level tone. 西音新. I'm going to write it again. This character is a little bit complicated, so I'm going to write it slowly. You can write it with me. The second character of 新加坡 is 加. Now please pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke is a horizontal stroke, and a vertical turn, and a hook, and a downward left stroke, vertical stroke, a horizontal stroke with a vertical turn and a hook, and one last horizontal stroke. How many strokes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's only 5 strokes. And this character is relatively easy. And its pinyin is 加加. I'm going to write it here. Its initial is 鸡, and its final is 呀, and its level tone. 加加. Now I'm going to write it again. 加. The third character of 新加坡 is 坡. Now pay attention to the stroke order. It's a horizontal stroke, a vertical stroke, an upward stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a hook, and a downward left stroke, a vertical stroke, and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn to the left, and a downward right stroke. 坡. And there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strokes. And the initial is 坡. The final of the pinyin is 窝, and is a level tone. Now look at these 3 characters. They are all level tone. 新加坡 and this three characters together means 新加坡 Singapore. Singapore. Now let's use this vocabulary and put it into a sentence. 我的家乡是新加坡。我的家乡是新加坡。My hometown is Singapore. 我的家乡是新加坡。Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。